World Day Against Child Labor. We will see what is child labor and what are its causes and effects.
International Labour Organization launched the World Day Against Child Labour in 2002 to focus attention on child labour and efforts needed to eliminate it.
Every working child under the age of 14 years is considered as child labor. Children work as laborers in agriculture fields, factories, domestic services, shops, etc. I am Sanjay. I pick plastic bottles, boxes, etc. from garbage bins and sell them to Raddiwala. But I want to wear school uniform. I am Savita. I pick plastic bottles, papers, boxes, etc. and sell them to Raddiwala. But I want to wear school uniform.
Hello, I am Shiva. I work on the construction site. There I load bricks. But I want to become a mechanic.
I am Shivani. I work on the construction site. I load the bricks there, but I want to become a teacher.
I am Rani. I work in a tea stall. I wash utensils there. But I want to go to school. Hello, I am Shan. I work on a tea stall. I serve tea to people there. But I want to go to school.
I am Sheila. I work in agriculture field where I pick straws bundle, but I want to read books.
Hi, I am Abhinav. I work at a field where I pick straws bundle, but I go.
I am Shalu. I sell vegetables in the market, but I want to read books.
I am Renu. I work as a servant in a house where I do household work like mopping, dusting, etc. But I want to go to school.
After meeting with these children, we will see what are the effects of child labor on them and their future.
The children do not go to school. They have little or no time to play.
Many of them do not receive proper nutrition and care. They are forced to work in dangerous environment.
Sometimes they get separated from their families. They are deprived of right. Poverty is one of major cause. Poor economic condition leads to child labor.
Second cause is lack of quality education, as well as the parents of these children are also uneducated.
Third causes is high cost of living and a few jobs in urban areas.
Now we will see how child labor can be prevented and removed from this world.
Give employment to the parents and also educate the children.
Midday meal scheme started by Indian government so that more children goes to school.
Punishment for applying a child is imprisonment and fine.
You can call 109 helpline number
world or call police to give information about child labor.
Say no to child labor.
According to Mahatma Gandhi ji, if we are to teach real peace in this world and if we are to carry on a real war against war, we shall have to begin with the children.